Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a new way of making money online. You can make easily $100 a day if you choose so. You can do it from anywhere in the world, and you'll be using an AI tool that's completely free. I'll show you how it's done. It's going to take 10 to 15 seconds of your time to complete the task. Let's go. All right, so you'll go to fiverr.com and I want to show you what we're talking about. So if you type colorizing black and white photo, here you go. So you'll see here, let's say this person is making, well, I'm in Canada, so this is Canadian dollar, but it's probably 5 USD, US dollar. So I will store all photos and colorize black and white photo quickly, or here I will colorize black and white photo quickly. So you can make, let's say, $5 USD, 8 Canadian dollars here. Here you can offer that for $15 to our store. I will cover as black and white photo, same thing. You can see that person has quite a few reviews. So this is where you can advertise your services. That's one of the example, but you also have Upwork and different other platforms where you can definitely advertise. So now I'm going to show you exactly how you'll do that in like 10 seconds. Let's go. So you'll go to canva.com and you will just create a design, custom size, well, create a new design. Let's do that. And you go to custom size right here. You can put whatever size you want. I'm gonna just put something random here. So we'll go right here. That's not really like a size we want. Let's go back and let's do it again because that's not the size we want. So we'll go here and we'll change the size to, here you go, create new design. That's probably gonna, yeah, that's much better. So then what you want to do, you want to go to apps right here. And then you're gonna scroll down until you find the app called colorizing. So we're gonna just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and it should be actually just like type colorize. Colorize. Here you go. Here it is. So you can take that one, you can open, then you'll choose a file, and I have this one right here that's ready, and you just colorize the photo. And here we have it in color. So you can, if you want, like, just make it a little bit bigger right here. Let's make it much bigger, like this, like that, like that. Okay, we have that. So then you can edit the image if you want. So you can go here. You can play with the filters right here if you want to. So here you have different filters. If you want just to play with that, that's totally doable. Or you can go back and you just can adjust the temperature here, the tint, the brightness. So you can just, make it however you like. But it's definitely a colored photo now, and definitely not a black and white. So play with that, and that's it. See, like, if you don't want to make any changes, it's totally possible, and it takes you 10 seconds. So then you just have to go to share here, and you can download. So you can download your photo. You can download it on any size you want right here, and you can choose the format as well, JPEG or PNG, PDF, whatever you want to save it for, and you just download. And then what you want to do, you want to go to Instagram, create an account like this person right here, put your link with your service. So you definitely can link your Fiverr service right here. Put it right here. So put a little bio here explaining what you're doing. And here you can showcase your work and put photos like from black and white to colorized. And what you just have to do after that, it's simply post a few Instagram reels every single day. Post like 2 to 3, or even 1 to 3, 1 to 2, whatever you can. Be consistent, and then you'll have a lot of traffic going to your link right here, so you can make a lot of money. You can duplicate the same exact way of getting traffic with TikTok, Facebook, or even YouTube if you want to. The only thing you have to do is just create a page, create like a simple website, a one page website, like explaining what you're doing, explaining, like showing your work, and making sure you have your link to your service on Fiverr. Or even if you have a stand store, let's say, you can directly put your service there for whatever price you want, and just sell the service. Because I guarantee you, some people don't even know you can do that. If you can show them that you can colorize like an old photography of their family members back in the days where you just had black and white photos, and just bring it to life with colors, that's something that's pretty unique. So I would encourage you to do that. Honestly, you can even do Pinterest. Why not? Because it's another good platform. So if I were you, I would just post it on every platform, and it doesn't take a lot of time to do it. So that's the best way to drive traffic to your website, to get a ton of sales. So you can easily make $100, because you know that reels. I mean, check this out. The reels are getting so much views that it would be super simple. And especially if you have a price that is as low as $5 per job, you can imagine how much you can make. I mean, I'm just giving you a small example. Yeah, the sky is the limit, really. So it's just how much you want to make per day. It's really up to you. Thanks, guys, for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. It's gonna help me to grow my channel, and I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.